Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, trailer brake controller, active grille shutters, lumbar support. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.